So guys, this is Mango testnet, right? The link to this project will be in the video description. Just look down, click on more, you will see the video description, open it and you will see the link right there. Okay, do well to watch the video to the end, follow it bit by bit so you can understand, you can do everything accurately. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We always bring educational content right here. So let's dive in. Now you need to copy the link, come to your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser. So in this video I'm using Mrs. browser, right? Remember to always change your view on this three line. When you click on that three line right there, you need to change your background to desktop view. Okay, you see it here, desktop side. So you need to check that box so that it will change the background and bring out everything that you need to see, right? So when you have done this, the next thing is to connect your wallet, and you make sure that by now you must have installed your MetaMask in your Mrs. browser. So when you have done that, you click on connect. Okay, first of all we need to get the Mango wallet. Okay, so for you to do that, you need to install the extension, right? You need to install the extension browser. Just click on this Mango wallet, you tap on it. So we are installing the extension right now. So when the page loads like this, you click on add to Chrome. Okay, add to Chrome, click on OK. So I might make this to be the part one of this because it's a little bit lengthy. Now as you can see, it have added and automatically it brings up this for us. So the next thing is to create wallet. So it's either you create wallet or you import an existing wallet that you have. As for me, I'm going to import the wallet I have, okay, to use it for this test. And so I'll click on import mnemonic phrase. So I'll go and copy the recovery phrase of the wallet I want to import here, and then I will input it. For you might choose to create, okay, you might choose to create a new wallet and copy the secret phrase of that wallet and save it somewhere. Okay, so for me, I'm importing, right? So let me import and then we'll continue. Enter the 12 recovery phrase of this, and then it's telling me to create password. So I will create password and then we proceed. So I've entered my password. You need to leave this one the way it is. Okay, this lock after 1 hour. So check on this box right there and then you click on create wallet. So just like that, our wallet is created, right? So the next thing, you need to minimize and come back. Let me close this. Come back to the Mango page, right? So when you're here, you now need to connect your wallet. So as you're here, click on connect wallet. Okay, so it's telling us to import, but we have done that. So what you need, since it is bringing up this, what you need to do is to open up a new tab. Okay, sorry, is there already. The Mango wallet is there already. So click here, click on the extension tab, which is this. Okay, you click on it. Let's look for Mango. That's Mango wallet right there. So you see what happened now. So I need to minimize this again and come back, then click on connect. It's still showing the same. So if it continues, what you need to do is to refresh the page. Okay, you refresh the page. So click on connect now. Let's see. We see it comes up now. So click on manage Mango wallet, click on connect. Okay, you click on sign. So the wallet is connected, right? You see it here, it's connected. So the next thing is to do these things. It says we have connected wallet. It says bind your Twitter, join them on Discord, right? So these are the two things we need to do now. So click on bind Twitter. So I'm binding my Twitter account right now. On approve, authorize app. Click on authorize app. Need to do is to click on follow. You follow them. Okay, you follow Mango Network. Once you follow them, you minimize and come back. Then click on verify. So as you can see, that one is done. So the next thing they say join Discord community. So click on it. You tap on join Discord community. It will take you to Discord. Okay, so let's wait. Yeah, you authorize the transaction. Click on authorize. It says error. When it says error, I have to refresh this again, you reload the page again and try it again. Click on authorize. If it doesn't work, you continue to do that. This is why it is called testnet. So in fact, I think it have actually worked. Okay, it have worked. So I think when I'm joining the channel, you also see you can also use this opportunity to know how to join Discord channels. Okay, to approve yourself properly so that you can actually be in the Discord. Now, the next thing to do, it have brought you to Discord. You need to verify yourself first. You tap on the verify icon there. In fact, okay, before you do that, click on this thing. Look down. You see this complete here. You click on it. Okay, you click on it first, scroll up, tap on this box right there, and then click on submit. Now you click on verify. So you click on verify again, you look down, click on verify again. So tap on continue. Remember, all these things you need to follow it to see continue there. Click on continue. I think I have to make this the part one of this, okay? So that, because click on continue again, I think this is already lengthy, so we need to do the verification. You see the captcha they brought out, so you need to type this into the box. So you need to click on enter captcha. So this captcha is 3ROMT4T 3ROM4TT. So you click on enter captcha. Is 3ROM 3RM4TT. So you submit. Boom, we are verified. How you know we are verified is that all these other options here, you see every other thing have displayed. So that is how you know that you are being verified. So we have done that. You come back, minimize and come back here. In fact, it have approved by itself. All right, you see it have approved. So the next thing, it says join our Telegram. This, I don't know why it's not showing up for me, but I have to refresh this to make sure that it shows up so that you can click on it. Okay, yes, it have showed up now. So you need to click on login with Telegram. So it will take you to your Telegram. Enter, as you can see, I'll enter my phone number right now. So I just entered my number and click on confirm, right? So I think it gave me a notification. Let me go to Telegram. So I'm in Telegram right now. I saw the notification and then I click on confirm. So now that I've clicked on confirm, I think it should confirm right now. You see, click on accept. So boom, it's done. It's done. So click on continue. It brings up that thing automatically. Click on continue. When you continue to click on the general chat one. Okay, click on it and join. Okay, so we have joined them. So you come back. When you join them, you minimize and come back again. Everything should be working fine now. So yes, everything is fine. So the next thing to do now is to check this tiny box. Okay, when you click on it, you click on join now. You see the join now right here. This is the join now icon. Click on join now. So you sign the message. Click on sign. Yes, join successfully. So it have joined. Now this is the first part, guys. The second part, I'll drop the video. The link to the second part will be in the video description, so we can continue. Now that we have joined, we just got 200 points, right? So the part 2 will continue in the next video.